today I'm gonna be playing Turboprop Flight Simulator. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And this is actually part 2. Especially if you guys know. If you guys don't know, I actually play this. Yeah. Yes, and I'm very bad at I'm going 360, boy. I should do a backflip at this point. Yes, sir. Bank angle. Yo.
Bank angle. Secret bank angle. Bank angle.
Oh. I'm dead, y'all. I'm dead. Yo, bye, bro. Yo, I thought I was dead. Yo, this is like, how did it fly by itself? Even oh, this is something. Yo, the slip out, yes. I think I know how to. I think I wanna go on the top of it. Yo, oh my gosh, I'm pressing all the buttons. Oh my gosh, I'm trying out. That's it. Oh my god. Yo, we're passing the airport. Mobile port. I'm deploying my parachute. Yo, let's make a plane crash. I am so bad at guys. Mami, nare-record nga ako. It's okay. Don't mind my friend. Yo. No. I'm ignoring the fact that we're gonna die. You're dead. Let's restart, y'all. This time I'm gonna try to land the plane down. Because every time I fail doing the wing. Nah, I'm doing it late. I'm going full 360, boy. Going full 360.
Bank angle.
The fact, oh my, y'all, this is autopilot. Nah, this thing is autopilot. Not gonna lie, bro. This thing is autopilot. Yo, what the? Could I turn on the engine or something? Started. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm just on top of the plane. I'm just on the wing, man. I'm starting this one. Start. Yo. Actually. Oh, shift off. Oops. Give us some air. Not gonna lie, bro. Can I go in the water? Can I go in the water? Yo, I didn't mean it like that way. I was gonna try to land in the water. No, let's go to the town, y'all. This video maybe 5 meters or something, cause I can't hear. Cause the last video I couldn't hear my voice or something, bro. construction. So this is this thing autopilot? Oh, we're going to town. So there we go. I am gonna sit over here. Let me go slowly there. You see? It'll be piloted. Pilot flight panel. That was crashing into town, boys. Yes! That guy living at the top is cooked, bro. The man standing up at the building after climbing for 20 whole hours and just gets cooked by a literal blade. Imagine that happening to you, bro. Imagine that happening to you, yo, bro. That is unexpectable. You're just enjoying your life after climbing 20 whole hours just to get on top of a skyscraper, and you just get hit by an airplane. Such a disappointing moment. Such disappointing. At least I got some air here. Let me see. I'm just doing all the work. Don't mind me, man. How is this even a door? Because I thought this was stairs, but this is stairs. No. Fastest. Oh, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna hit it. As soon as we know. Yo! No way! I saw a real plane crash. I was just kidding. Woo. Let's go! Stewie! We're going so fast. Yo! Whoa! See? Yo, let's see this. Yo, is there something burning? Bro, what's that? It's just the. Yo, let's go in it. Bro, when I'm trying to get close to it, it just ends burning. Like, ah! Yo, this thing is cool. I wanna go in. Bro. Bro, why is the exit blocked? I want to have a... What the heck? How am I flying? Is this a bug? Yeah, on top of the plane, y'all. You got games on your phone? Oh yeah, there's nobody there. They are dead. That was actually kind of cool though. It's actually kind of cool. Let's try that. Over there. But over there, y'all. Let's go. Run. Yo. No, not tilt the plane. Not tilt the plane. Yo, let's go, y'all. Y'all, we're about to hit 360 before we hit that mountain. Let's go. Now, fastest buoy. I was right. Okay, I was right next to the crash. Suey, let's go. Yo, what's that, y'all? Yo, let's go see this one. Yo, is this one of the wings? Yo, I bet these are one of these. Okay, I think it is. Nah, it's just. Are you kidding me? I thought it was. Why can't you go eat this stuff? No way, that thing is flying through town. But are you serious? Yo, I see some burns there. Maybe it's by itself. Okay. Y'all, these are one of the propellers, y'all. Yo, look at these plates. Can I activate them still? Oh yeah. Oh, yo. Imagine if you, bro. Imagine. Expect. Okay. Never mind. That's too. The thing I am gonna say is gonna be gruesome. Okay, this might be the end of the video. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe.